Fix this little spot right here. Here she goes. This is how you do it.
Just to make sure that doesn't rip any further, I'm just going to kind of grab right at the very bottom of the hem. Grab the threads and just kind of piece it, whip it together.
And that's going to protect the pants from fraying, I believe. I'm just guessing. See how she does it? She does like a double thing and she goes through the loop.
And that knot I can cut out later.
And how many are you doing? Like
Just to the edge, a couple more. I mean, you'll never see it. It's just to make sure it won't split up anymore. Those little strings are part of my knot, which I'll cut. This is on the bottom of the pant.
And then you're going like through it that way. Interesting. And that's it.
Well, I'm going to try to pull all this and put it underneath like this, if I can.
So she's pushing it through.
So I'm just kind of like making a knot. See how that's just kind of coming apart there? I want to put a stitch in here so it can't come up any higher. So now I'm putting a stitch kind of right behind where it's ripping. So it can't come up any higher than where I just put the stitch. That's it. Now I can cut those off, the frays that are left. And I can loop them into the stitch as well.
All right. A little more involved than I thought.
Yep. One more. This side. And that's it. And then I'll knot it from behind.
You really don't want that thing coming out, do you?
Well, it can fray so easily. Now I'll cut the needle and the little knot that I made. And now you'll never see that because it's on the bottom of the hem.
All right,
Fine.
cool. Done. Excellent job, my lover.